Hello friends, today we have compiled a video that you will enjoy very much. For the continuation of such content, do not forget to like our videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. An asphalt machine is a type of construction equipment that is used to lay asphalt pavement on roads, parking lots, and other surfaces. There are different types of asphalt machines available, each with its own specific purpose and capabilities. These machines are used to lay asphalt on roads, highways, and other large surfaces. They come in different sizes and configurations and can be equipped with different features, such as screeds, sensors, and electronic controls. Construction heavy machinery refers to large, powerful machines that are used in construction projects to perform tasks such as digging, lifting, moving, and compacting materials. These machines are used for digging and moving large amounts of soil or other materials. They typically have a long arm with a bucket on the end that can be used to scoop up material. There are many other types of construction heavy machinery available, each with its own unique features and capabilities. The type of machine that is best for a particular construction project will depend on a variety of factors, including the size of the project, the type of material being moved or compacted, and the terrain of the worksite.